lovelies, welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a while, but I'm finally back up and at it to do these videos again. But today we are going to be going out to my garage because, as you can see, it is a total disaster. We were actually cleaning out the garage because I was getting ready for a yard sale that weekend. So yeah, just come along with me while I clean out the garage, and hopefully this gives you some cleaning motivation. Let's get right into it.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across.
Literally, we have not cleaned this garage since we moved into this house about 4 years ago. We want to put our car in the garage, but we just haven't gotten to that yet. So I'm hoping after the garage sale and getting everything cleared out, we'll finally be able to, by this fall, have our car in the garage. Plus, the only thing that actually gets done out in this garage is my husband just cooks out on the Traeger in the garage. That's what the little table setup is for here.
Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I want. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
My mom was actually here to help me with this since my husband was at work. So now we are just, as you can see back in the corner, it's our old mattress that has been sitting out here for, again, probably 4 years. But yeah, it was so nasty. So I'm glad we finally got that out of the garage and into the trash.
Like you, I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. I can move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain.
song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skin and dipping like we're on our own run. Got no words, no, 'cause we're so young. We were so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words, no. We were so young. We were so young. Now you're long gone.
And that is going to be about it for the video. So I hope this gave you guys a bunch of cleaning motivation. And if this is your first time here, I hope you'll think about hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join our little YouTube family. And I will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye guys!